So hello guys and welcome to my channel VI Techie, and today I'm gonna tell you from the beginning basics of programming. You might have seen the title and you might have understand that okay, basics of programming, what would be there in this? But from the title you cannot justify this video because what I have learned in past, when you go to any particular course, like let's say Python course or Java course or C programming, C++, anything, don't consider HTML as a programming language because it is not a programming. So yes, now I will start from the beginning. If you are taught that print this thing by typing this, then anyone can do it. There is nothing big deal in that. But that's not the actual programming, right? If I give a keyboard to a 6 or 7 grade student and tell him or her to just write the code, like print this, like print left parent quote, the quotes you write this, it will get printed, everything. Just nothing. That's not anything. The real thing is the programming basics are not taught in a course, except you take a particular course like a let's say BCA or your B Tech. But if you want to learn a programming language, then why to skip the important things? So today I will tell you how does the programming started, what is programming, what are the types or categories of languages, generations of programming languages, and A to Z. We will start in this series. So I will put up around 10 to 15 minutes videos, maybe even slightly less or more, 5 minute increment or decrement, but we will go through them step by step. So my name is Dwaj. You are watching VI Tech. Make the world accessible. So guys, now we will start from the basic thing, which is what is programming. So basically, programming means when you program something to work in a particular manner, even if you train yourself to work in a particular manner that is known as a programming. You have a programming in yourself, right? You wake up at particular time, you do your work at particular time, you are set up to do some particular things at particular given point of time. That is one kind of programming. So, like programming in computers, basically, you program a computer to do something on a particular action. Let's say you put a program to chime when you, like, let's say, unlock your laptop or computer, maybe whatever. That is one kind of program. You have a simple mathematical problem, which is 1 plus 1 is also a program. So anything could be programmed. Now, let us come to how does programming work, right? So they work on the concept of algorithms. Like, what is algorithm? You might say, what is algorithm? I have come through the word algorithm, but I have not understood the meaning. You might say that. So let me tell you, algorithm is a step-by-step process of doing something, step-by-step way of doing something. Let's say if you want to turn on your laptop and open Microsoft Word, so you will have to follow a step-by-step process. Or maybe let's say you want to watch my YouTube video. So there is a step-by-step process. You will open lid of your laptop. Maybe if it has a proximity sensor, it will automatically turn on. If it does not have one, then you will need to hit the power key. When you hit power key, your laptop will turn on, then you will come on the lock screen. There you will put on your password, fingerprint, Windows, like Windows Hello Face, whatever, and you will unlock and move to your desktop. From there, you will open your favorite web browser. Let's say Chrome, Edge, Safari, maybe. Is there any Apple user? Please comment down below. From there, you will search for youtube.com. You will open YouTube. There you will either go to subscriptions, or if you are a lazy person like me, then you will directly press E to go to edit field and search for VI Techie. And then you will open my channel and you will watch the video. And if you are watching the video right now, I would like to request you please subscribe. So now let's move on. This is the step-by-step process of watching my video. Let's say this is the algorithm. Now, why we need algorithm? Like algorithm is necessary to have a clear idea about how to do something. Like what is algorithm? In a simpler word, if I explain you, I explained you. Now I want to explain you in a technical form. Like when you write your logic means your idea. Let's say your problem is you want to make a program which will do addition of two numbers. Sorry guys, I have some throat issues, so do not mind that. So let's say you want to add two numbers. Okay. So what you will do is you will have a rough idea that I need to take two containers in which I need to give two numbers. Let's leave that whole, like, don't go in deep, but like you will take two numbers, then you will add them. So that is your logic. Logic is ready. Now you need to write it on a paper or maybe Microsoft Word. For us, Microsoft Word, because it is more accessible way for us, of course. So let's say I know that what is the logic. Let's say I will take two variables and I will assign them with some values, or maybe I will take input from the user, and then I will take third variable in which my two previous numbers will be added and the result will be presented to the user. So that is known as your algorithm. Now, there is one more concept which is known as flowchart, but it is not accessible for us, I would say. So we will not go deep into the flowcharts, but basically, if I explain you in brief, so flowcharts are the graphical representation of your program, basically your algorithm, to be precise. And in algorithm, you don't write like everything like include this and that and that. Nothing. Simple sentences like take two. First would be like start. So I will explain the algorithm in detail in the next video, but there is a particular step like algorithm in that you will take start, then take a variable, how many that we need to decide. Take variable A, take variable B, then take variable C, and you need to take input from the user. Let's say so A input from the user, B variable input from the user. Now third is like in C, put the values of A and B, and like put A plus B is equal to, like C is equal to A plus B, and then in the next line print the output and then stop. Basically this is the algorithm. Now we'll look at the algorithm in the next video. So like this is the algorithm, then we have flowcharts in which you take some shapes like rectangle, diamond, and few more to represent that same algorithm in a graphical manner. So I would like to conclude this video here because I don't want to make it more lengthier. But what we have learned basically here so far is what is algorithm, how does the basic things work. We cannot start directly with the variables and take the inputs and everything. We cannot go into deep until and unless you know that what is the manner in which you need to do that. So we will discuss that in the upcoming videos, like different types of programming languages, type like there are generations of programming languages. We will learn that which are the generations of programming language. Then we will go to some more things like we'll dive deeper into C and C++ here slightly because I don't want to directly go to Java because C is the fundamental programming like language and I don't know why it is fundamental, but it is what it is. So we will meet next time. Till then, keep watching, stay safe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching the video.
Like, share,
And
subscribe.